Well, I have a confession to make. Among my friends, I'm usually known as the one who pitches the idea, which is realistic and implemented easily. Well, let's see how far I can sustain the title. Well, this is Bharat, and with my diverse yet unique and innovative team, we have designed a product for the problem being that India is a densely populated country where we come across overcrowding almost every day. So we have come up with a product which can prevent this overcrowding problem to such an extent that you'll be surprised. I welcome all my viewers and especially the judges. A good day to you, and this is our shot at winning and solving this problem. So Krishna will be taking on from here. Over to you, Krishna.
Hi people, this is Krishna Kaustubh BS and we'll see how the project works with few steps. As you are able to see on the screen, when a person goes inside the room, the counter gets decremented by 1 and a slot is reduced by 1. When the person goes out of the room, then the counter gets decremented by 1 and the number of slots is increased by 1. This is how it works. When the first IR sensor is triggered, which causes the barricade to open, and the second IR sensor is triggered when the person goes through the doorway. This can help us to detect not only the number of people getting inside the room, but also the direction they are moving into. It can also restrict the movement of person moving inside or outside the room. When a person goes outside the room, the same practice is followed. When there are no slots left, however, the LCD displays the person there are no slots left in the house is full. Based on the flow of the crowd, the limit can be set and regulation can occur without any human intervention. Over to you, Gahan.
Continuing to that is Gahan. Talking about the market in Bangalore, there are over 10,000 restaurants and couple hundred malls and at least one or two schools in every district. Since the market is huge, the implementation will have to be easier and faster. Our process is very easy compared to other products. The product is pretty much basic installation to be implemented in one step and you're good to go. Considering test case 1 restaurants and according to a case study Zomato had conducted, there are over 10,000 restaurants as said earlier and 200,000 people eating every day at restaurants, which usually leads to major overcrowding, and preventing it is basically what our product does. This ensures 100% success. Now considering restaurants, gyms and wedding halls, the number of people who are allowed are 50 people and is expected over 50, but after implementing our product it will be limited to 50 again. That is 100% accuracy. Yes, 100%.
First and foremost, effective crowd management helps to ensure the safety of those at an event, from the guests to the staff and the performers. When an event is taking place, everyone in the venue should be able to enjoy themselves without worrying their safety. And now coming to the marketing part and the monetizing part, our prototype costs somewhere between 1,800 to couple thousand rupees. As you can see in the slide, the following components cost the following amount. Talking about affordability of the actual product, our product is estimated to be around 8,000 to 9,000 rupees, which is quite inexpensive compared to the conventional gates which are present in the market today. They cost somewhere around 50,000 rupees and go up till 3 lakh rupees. Now implementing the product within their product will be the best way of monetizing it, as this would ensure the quality of the product remains the same and marketing would be a lot easier due to the existing customer base. And since the market is huge as told before, we believe we can take this product to the next level.
To sum up, we are here with a product that could help solve overcrowding in public gatherings. Basically, it's an automated crowd management system which allows people inside based on the holding capacity of the venue. So as and when people leave the area, the number of free space gets updated, which in turn allows new entries, therefore holding good to the capacity of the venue. Our product is cheaper compared to others and can be used in restaurants, banquet halls, gyms, cafeterias, stadiums, etc. The installation is quite simple, so you don't have to break your head over it. Since when the product is put to use and it actually does its job, that is control the crowd, it'll start gaining popularity and then the market would actually recognize it. We could partner up with an automatic door system company and the product would be more efficient and cheaper, which would in turn benefit the company. I conclude by thanking all our team members for putting in hours of work to make this a success. For any queries, you can reach out to us on our website. The link will be given in the description. Thank you.